Imagine this. It's Friday evening and you're staring at your bank app after another paycheck hits. Rent's paid, groceries are covered, but that nagging tightness in your chest is back. The what-if thoughts creep in. Car breaks down, kid needs new shoes, or suddenly the fridge quits. You've got a decent job, maybe even side hustles, but every month feels like walking a tightrope. One slip and you're stressed, borrowing from tomorrow to survive today. Sound familiar? I've been there. And here's the quiet truth. Everything shifts, not dramatically, but profoundly, once $3,000 a month starts flowing in passively. Let me walk you through why. Most of us chase the wrong finish line with money. We think it's about hitting six figures or buying the big house, so we grind harder, work overtime, chase promotions that never satisfy. But that's the misunderstanding. Passive income at $3,000 a month isn't about luxury, it's about reclaiming your mental space. Society sells us this idea that security means more hustle, more stuff. Yet psychologists like Daniel Kahneman point out how our brains are wired for loss aversion. We fear losing what we have 10 times more than we enjoy gaining something new. That's why even high earners stay anxious. Without that steady, hands-off flow, every dollar feels like it's at risk. You're not failing. The system just preys on that fear, keeping us reactive instead of free. Let me break it down, because this isn't theory, it's what happens in real brains and bank accounts. Picture passive income as a gentle river. Dividends from index funds, rental income, or digital products that sell while you sleep. At $3,000 a month, about $36,000 a year, it's enough to cover essentials without touching your active earnings. In Pakistan, that's rent in a decent Faisalabad apartment, utilities, groceries for a family of four, and a buffer for school fees or that unexpected doctor visit. Simple math, if inflation runs 10%, that stream grows with smart choices like low-cost ETFs averaging 7 to 10% annually through compounding. Start with $500 a month invested at 8% return, and in 15 years it hits that mark. Patient, not flashy, but here's the psychology magic. Before this, your decisions are scarcity-driven. Studies from behavioral economists show stress narrows your focus like tunnel vision. You skip the gym because you're too tired from overtime, snap at family over small bills, or impulse buy takeout to numb the worry. I remember months where work stress meant eating out more, racking up 10,000 PKR extra, all because my mind was in survival mode. With 3,000 passive, that fog lifts. Suddenly, you say no to the draining freelance gig because you don't need it. Family dinners become intentional, not rushed. You start that hobby, maybe editing videos on weekends, without the guilt of unproductive time. It's not wealth, it's bandwidth. Your brain shifts from react to create because the baseline fear dissolves. And that's the turning point, the real shift. Money becomes a tool for peace, not a chain. Think about it. 3,000 passive covers 70 to 80% of living costs in many places per global cost of living data. Psychologically, it flips the script on time anxiety. No more lying awake calculating rent hikes or job loss. Instead, you invest in relationships, health, even quiet reflection. I felt it myself. Once my streams hit that level, decisions flowed from abundance. Chose a lower stress job, yes. Took a family trip without debt, absolutely. It's freedom wrapped in realism, compound interest doing the heavy lifting, your mindset handling the rest. So how do you get there without extremes? Start small, realistically. Track your expenses for a week. Apps like those free Google Sheets templates work fine. Build an emergency fund first, 3 months basics in a high-yield savings. Then automate 5,000 to 10,000 PKR monthly into a diversified fund like a global ETF via local brokers. Create once, earn forever. Maybe affiliate links on your YouTube channel or simple digital guides. No need for genius ideas. Consistency compounds. Test one stream, like dividend stocks, and let it grow. In a year, you're closer, stress fading naturally. Here's the reassuring part. You don't need perfection. That 3,000 isn't a magic number for everyone, adjust for your life. But it proves the point. Progress quiets the noise, giving you back your days. You're already smarter than you think. Now, breathe easier knowing small streams lead to big calm. If this resonates, try one step this week. You've got this.